A fiber optic cable is a network cable that's designed to transmit voice, video, and data information through a glass fiber strand. Now, fiber cable is able to transmit data over much longer distances and at much faster rates than your traditional copper network cabling. Our 10 gigabit multimode fiber cables come in a variety of connector types: LC, SC, and ST. Our 10 gigabit multimode fiber cables have a diameter of 50/125 microns and can transmit data up to 3 times farther than your typical multimode cable. They are able to support transmissions up to 10 gigabits for 300 meters and 40 gigabit transmissions up to 100 meters. They can easily be identified by their aqua jackets. Multimode cables are also virtually immune to electrical interference. This makes multimode cable the ideal fiber cable for use in LED transmitters, 10 gigabit Ethernet, and as backbone applications in buildings. This is an LC to SC 10 gigabyte multimode duplex fiber cable. It features 2 LC connectors on one end and 2 SC connectors on the other end. An LC connector has a small form factor design with a molded plug casing that has a push and pull locking system. An SC connector is just a larger version of an LC connector. It is available in lengths from 1 to 15 meters. Our 10 gigabyte multimode LC to SC fiber cables are OM3 rated, are laser optimized, and have a riser rated PVC jacket. For all of your fiber cable needs, choose Show Me Cables.